Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a music lover, I'm sure you spend a lot of time on Spotify, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can add the Spotify widget to your phone's home screen. This way you will have quick access to your music, playlists and podcasts without even opening the app. Now I'm going to show you the process in an iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, make sure to have the Spotify app installed. Now go to the home screen where you want to add the widget. You can do this by swiping over to the screen or clearing of some space. Tap and hold on an empty area of your home screen. Now the apps are starting to jiggle. This is called jiggle mode. Now look at the top left corner and tap on to edit. Now tap on to the add widget option. You can scroll down or use the search bar at the top to type Spotify and search for it. And then tap on to Spotify. Now here you can find the widget size that fits your needs. You can select small or medium, it's your choice. After choosing, tap on to add widget. You can drag it wherever you want to add on your home screen. And then tap on to done. And that's it. Now you know how to add the Spotify widget to your home screen for quick access to your music. I hope this video helped make your Spotify experience even better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.